Alright, welcome back to Peanut Garage. We've got another diff removal today. And of course it's going to be the redneck way. So at the end of the last diff removal, I said I had to pull the one out of my VS. So here it is. I'm going to pull the doors off and take a couple of bits and pieces off it before it goes to scrap. And it was a very clean interior until I parked it outside. Obviously the seals didn't work too well, but you know, won't be my problem soon. Alright, let's get to it. Alright, that one was easier than the VX, now that I got the system down pat. Yeah, looks like some shit has fallen. Yep, I broke a window. Whoops. Oh, shit happens. Clean it up. Yeah, another one. So, when I was taking the tow rope off, there's a massive hornet's nest, a wasp nest. So I dispatched of it. I put it on YouTube because YouTube would probably freak out. And I'll do the same to that one because I don't know if I'm allergic or not. My old man was. So I'm not taking the risk. As you can see, diff. Also need the fuel pump because the fuel pump in that one's died. But looking at the state of that tank, I don't think it'll be worth it. I think I'll just order a new one. Hopefully these bolts aren't too seized. Anyway, I'll swing something around, set up the GoPro, and we'll pull diff number 2 out. Alright, 20 minutes on the clock to get that out. Under 20. 19 and a half. That's with stuffing around, getting tools and shit. Also, I think there might be something living in the boot. I can hear weird noises coming out of the boot. And I can't get the boot open, so... oh well, here's what it is. Alright, I'll set the camera up. And I'll unhook this, put the tool trolley away. The reason I didn't take the passenger door off is because I can't get it open and I can't be bothered. I'm only going for easy parts. If it's causing an issue, it's staying on the car. Not that tyre. It's completely seized to the hub. I spent a good hour on it one day trying to get it off because I wanted the steely. Because, as people know, these steelers are getting damn hard to find. And yeah, Anyway, we'll set this up and we'll roll back over. Alright, still with me? Yep. Okay, that's that one. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, click all the shit. Buy shit. Autism Australia is getting all the donations from shirts over the next 6 months. So buy some shirts. It's not going to me. I don't care. Like I said before, they need it more than I do. Smash that like button. We'll see you next time. Be good or be good at it.